Everyone, I'm Jan Leopold with RE/MAX Properties of the Summit.
And I'm Yvette, also with RE/MAX Properties of the Summit. And today we're breaking down a hot topic for Colorado property owners: the rising and shrinking cost and availability of homeowners insurance.
If you own property here in Summit County or anywhere in the mountains, you probably already noticed it. Premiums are climbing fast, and some homeowners are even getting dropped.
And let's talk about why this is actually happening. According to a 2023 report from the Colorado Division of Insurance, the average premium jumped nearly 52% from 2019 to 2022.
And those increases aren't slowing down. In 2022 alone, rates rose by nearly 15%. That's well above the national average.
So what's causing this spike? There's four main drivers.
Number one is wildfire risk. The 2021 Marshall Fire caused over $2 billion in damages. It reshaped how insurers evaluate risk across the state.
Yep, number two is hailstorms. Colorado gets hit with damaging hail more often than most of the country. Those repair costs get passed on to everyone.
Number three is rebuilding costs. Labor shortages, rising material prices, and stricter building codes all mean it costs more to rebuild a home.
You know, and a hail-resistant roof now costs about 50% more than a standard one, and in many places, it's now the new requirement.
Number four, building in high-risk areas. More homes are being built in forested mountainous zones. That means greater wildfire exposure.
And that brings us to Wildland Urban Interface, or WUI.
The WUI is where homes and wildfire vegetation meet. It's beautiful, but it's also where wildfire danger is highest.
Yep, and then this map is from the Colorado State Forest Service, shows much of Summit County is actually inside a WUI zone.
And if your property is in WUI, insurers consider it high risk. That means higher premiums, stricter underwriting for renewal.
Or actually no renewal. And so to help owners being denied coverage, Colorado launched the FAIR plan.
FAIR means fair access to insurance requirements. It's a last resort option for homeowners who need 3 denials from insurance companies to qualify.
And the coverage actually maxes out at $750,000 per home. It may not cover the full cost of rebuilding a high-end home.
The FAIR plan doesn't fix the root causes of rising insurance costs. It just shifts the risk to the state.
And it could encourage a little bit of risky rebuilding practices. Some homes rebuilt after the Marshall Fire still use wooden fences, which actually just acted like fire ladders during the blaze.
So what can you do to protect your home and your wallet?
Well, first you got to find out if your home is actually in a WUI zone. Check the Colorado State Forest Service's interactive map.
Second, do a wildfire mitigation, create defensible space, install non-combustible materials, upgrade your roof.
You can also request a wildfire risk assessment from your local fire district. I actually did this myself with the red, white, and blue fire district here in Summit County.
And if you're buying a home, get an insurance quote before you close. We've seen deals fall apart over insurance issues.
Yep, we know this is a lot, but it's really important. Wildfire season is getting longer. Insurance is harder to secure, so preparation is key.
And if you have any questions about the wildfire risk insurance or the WUI, we're here to help.
Let's make sure you stay safe and covered. And if you want any more information, please click the link below for the interactive WUI map or the red, white, and blue fire districts.